Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us make Kichdi out of quinoa. For this I am going to take 1 cup of quinoa. I have not added any dal here, but if you want you can add a 1/4 cup of moong dal, that is split green gram. Clean this and soak in water. I am going to soak this in water for about half an hour. Soaking this in water will make it cook quickly. Now add some oil in a pan. To this add mustard seeds, chana dal and urud dal, half a teaspoon each. Let the mustards pop and then add half a cup of chopped onions and a few curry leaves. Saute the onions for a few minutes and then we are going to add ginger. Ginger will give you a nice flavor. A little ginger finely chopped and 2 to 3 green chilies. Next let us add all the veggies. I am going to use carrot and beans here. A few carrots and few beans chopped. Along with this you can add some cabbage, broccoli or cauliflower or whatever veggies you like. Now add the required amount of salt. Saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. The veggies has to be half cooked before adding quinoa. Now let us add the quinoa. Drain the water and add the quinoa. Next I am going to add 3.5 cups of water. For 1 cup of quinoa we are using 3.5 cups of water. Let this boil. So once it starts boiling, close this and cook in a medium flame for about 5 minutes. Stir in between, it should not settle at the bottom. Half of the moisture has gone. At this stage, close it again and cook in low flame till all the moisture gets absorbed. This is perfect. You can switch off the flame at this stage. Our healthy quinoa khichdi is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.